Hi, my name is Mel Campbell. I'm an occupational therapist and an advanced practitioner in sensory integration as well as a yoga teacher. And I've been teaching yoga with children that have sensory processing difficulties. And one of the activities that they absolutely love is rolling themselves up in the yoga mat. Now, rolling themselves up in the yoga mat provides them with a little bit of deep pressure, which is organising and also regulating for the nervous system, as well as that kind of the rotation of rolling up is also stimulating for the vestibular sensory system. So it can be quite arousing, and in terms of kind of increasing their levels of alertness, and it's a bunch of fun that they absolutely love. And one of the things that I've been trying to incorporate is also them using their breath with this activity. So Evie here is going to demonstrate it. So she's going to lie down on the yoga mat towards the edge of her mat. Starting from one end, if she can, she's going to grab onto the mat and she's going to roll herself up, all the way up. Oh, and I might just apply a little bit of pressure here. And then when she's ready, she's going to roll all the way back. Is that bad? Okay, we're going to do it one more time. And this time we're going to try it with our breathing. Oops, that's going all everywhere. Okay, so lie down again now. That's it, perfect. So breathing in. Whoa! Little bit of pressure. Breathing out. Well done, Evie. Was that fun? You look like you were really enjoying that. Thank you.